More breaking news tonight, and two things you don't want to hear together. Explosion, New York City. Catches your breath. But that's exactly why 29 people are in the hospital tonight. And now ABC News is reporting police have found what appears to be a pressure cooker rigged with wiring at a second site. We have new video from the first scene in Manhattan. So far, everyone is expected to recover. The FBI and Homeland Security are there investigating. They say the bomb was in a construction toolbox intentionally left in front of a building. But so far, they say there's no connection to terrorism. Another